Hi kids, today I want you to become a meteorologist. What is a meteorologist? Well, it's a person who predicts and then reports on the weather. So you get to do this yourself. Look outside. What kind of weather is it right now? How can you tell? Look up into the sky and what do you see? Is the sky blue? Is there something very bright in the sky? Or is the sky more gray or white and not very bright? Well, if it's bright and blue, it's a sunny day, right? And if it's darker and gray or white, it's a cloudy day. Sometimes you can't see all of the clouds. Sometimes the clouds cover the sky like a blanket. And that's when you can't see the sun and the sky just looks white or gray, right? How can you tell if it's windy? Well, if you're outside, you can tell because it'll be blowing your hair around, right? It'll be blowing your clothes around and you'll be able to feel the wind on your face. What if you're inside and you want to figure out if it's a windy day? Can you think of any strategies that you could use to tell if it's windy? I'll tell you something that I do. I look at the trees, and if the trees are just sort of gently moving, it's probably not that windy. But if the trees and the bushes are moving a lot, you know it's a windy day, right? Today, you get to make your very own weather wheel. It looks like this. On top it says weather, and then we have 4 kinds of weather we can choose: wind, sun, rain, and clouds. So you're going to attach your little arrow, and then I want you to draw a picture for each types of weather so that you can remember which one each is. So on the windy day, I'm going to draw windy marks, what I call windy marks. On the rainy day, I'm going to draw raindrops. And on the sunny day, I'm going to draw a sun, right? And on the cloudy day, I'm going to draw a cloud. And then I want you to look outside, and I want you to choose what the weather is by looking outside. I'm going to look outside right now, and I can see that it's a cloudy day. It's not raining. The sun is not shining. It is mostly cloudy. So I'm going to point the arrow towards clouds. It's kind of fun to try this each day. When you wake up, you can hang this somewhere close to a window, look outside, and figure out what weather it is. And then you can mark your chart with whatever weather it is that day. Now, if it starts out to be a cloudy day, does that mean it's going to be cloudy all day? No, the weather might change during the day, right? So if it does, you can go over to your weather wheel and go ahead and change it to a different type of weather. Could it be possible that you have 2 types of weather in the same day, at the same time? Sure. Sometimes there's clouds and sun at the same time, right? So you can either choose to say, what is it more? Is it more cloudy or more sunny? Or if you think it's about equal, you could just put the arrow right in between, right? What about a rainy day? If it's rainy, is it also cloudy? Yes. So don't worry about that. If it's actually raining, put the arrow on the rain. And what if it's rainy and windy? Same thing. You could put it right in the middle, or you could pick whichever one you think it's mostly rainy or mostly windy. Have fun with becoming a real meteorologist. See you next time.